At a bustling office, Ben was preparing for an important presentation when he felt that familiar itch in his nose. Just as he stood up to speak, he let out the loudest sneeze imaginable, sending his papers flying and knocking over his colleague's coffee. The coffee splashed everywhere, especially on the boss's new suit. In a moment of panic, everyone froze, expecting a reprimand. Instead, the boss sneezed too, inadvertently joining in on the chaos. Laughter erupted in the room, turning an embarrassing moment into a shared joke that the team still reminisces about.